How to turn off Google Maps search history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your iPhone. Google Maps helps you navigate and explore places. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This opens a menu with options for your Google account. From this menu, tap on your data in Maps to manage your saved information. On this page, scroll down and tap on the Web and App Activity section. This takes you to the Activity Controls page for your entire Google account. Here, tap the Turn Off drop-down as shown. From the pop-up menu, select the Turn Off option. A new screen will appear. Tap on Got It to confirm the change. The page will now show that the setting is turned off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Google Maps search history on your iPhone.